It's a great day at Pinellas County Animal Services, where in a perfect world, every dog would have a home and every home would have a dog. And we have dogs for you. This is Peggy. It's Peggy. She's only 14 weeks and 19 pounds. She's a little pitty lab mix. Look how cute she is. It's Peggy. 56, 38, 20. This is Boxer. Boxer is a year and a half old, 56, 31, 83, 51 pounds. It's been here a while. Someone called about you. This is Patrick. Patrick is 56, 21, 77. He's only 7 months old. He's got that darling split face at 40 pounds. What are you barking at, Toots? Welcome to the adoption center. I know you were in 300. Toots is 5 years old, a boxer mix at 44 pounds, 56, 51, 19. Baby girl is resting on her bed. She's 4. She's 38 pounds, 56, 35, 38. In surgery. Xena, another split face beauty, a year old, 46 pounds, 56, 40, 56. Romeo, where art thou? You're still here at 2 years old. He's 50 pounds, 56, 36, 22. Hey, Blake. Oh, Blake, we're on camera. Don't do that. Blake is 2 years old, 56, 22, 11, 60-pound boy. He's been here since February 6th. Turning the corner. Turning the corner for Phoebe. Welcome back. Phoebe was in isolation with kennel cough. A year and a half old, 50 pounds, 56, 35, 65. Honey, 3 years old, 56, 30, 99. She was a stray, 38.3. Blaze is 2 years old. He is 56, 34, 92. He is a pretty little pitty black kind of brindle. What are you barking at, Alton? Alton's a hound mix at 60 pounds, making a lot of noise in adoptions. 3 years old, 56, 47, 57. He just came in 330. Aw, here's my Sarge. Sarge has been here since January 15th. Heartworm positive. We treated him. He was sick, now he's better. He's 5. He's a great, great dog. He's got great hips, too. We were out in the yard the other day and there was a little boy who was 4 and he did great with the little boy. He's an all-around great dog. He needs to find his forever home. This is Patty. Welcome back, Patty Cake. She was in isolation also with kennel cough. She's 33 pounds, a year and a half, 56, 30, 23. Reef, a year and a half, 51 pounds. Hi, Reef. Oh, don't be barking at me. You're telling everybody that you want out of here. 56, 58, 10. Carmen's for a walk. Oh, Purdy, you're still here. 3 years old, 56, 31, 58. She's 50 pounds. She was heartworm positive, but we treat Shrek. You're on Facebook. You're a star. Yes, you are. Check out Facebook with Shrek and Tiffany. Tiffany's in the kennel with Shrek. 30, 86, 67, 6 years old. He, like Sarge, has been here since January. These are the 2 longest dogs. This guy is a really nice dog. Pepper. Pepper's 3 years old, 30 pounds, 56, 46, 50. A female in 120. 121 is Riggs, 1 blue eye, 1 brown eye. 2 years old, 43.5. Look at your eyes. Yeah, 56, 51, 20. Maya, 56, 45, 76. She's 5. She's 67 pounds. Sinad, resting on his kennel, in his kennel, on his bed, 56, 34, 42, 39 pounds. In kennel 124 is Drama. Someone called about you, and Rugaz Rescue might be taking you. They're one of our pit rescues, Rugaz hit rescue. 5638.99, 4 years old. We have approximately 70 rescues that we work with, and so we appreciate our rescues. All of them are approved with Pinellas County Animal Services. They get home visits. We check them out with other animal controls. This is Misha. She's 2.5 years old. 5644.27. This is Lexi. Lexi is 5646.63. She's 61.6 pounds. Corky. Hi, Corky. You're a happy little kid. Corky's a male at 1.5 years old, 52.3, 560007. All you need is love and a dog. We've got dogs. We're up in the 50s. Darius is 2, 5643.34, 50-pound boy. Cindy's 3, 5632.14. King. Come over here, King. King is 8 months old, 5635.67 at 40 pounds. Christian is 1 year old, 5645.73, 55-pound boy. Curly. Hi, Curly. Curly's 2 years old, a Shepherd Pity Mix, 51 pounds, 5641.10. This is Sasha. Sasha's being transferred to Suncoast Animal League. We have a big adoption event with the Humane Society this Saturday, and Sasha will be there. This is Nani. Nani's 3 years old, 5649.14. She's 3. You have a beautiful face. Yes, you do. This is Jasmine, 3 years old. Jasmine's 5646.84, and she's in kennel 135. So please come on down to Pinellas County Animal Services. We've got lots of dogs. Everybody's up to date, heartworm tested, dewormed on Revolution, chipped, microchipped, licensed. We do it all.